I just kept using my tires, is because these are 30s, the 295 30s.
Yeah, the guys bringing the other one, so this is not gonna fit. So. And we paid $15.40 for these, the whole set. Which one's the red? We got a soccer ball for sure. We need to do a freaking timing chain on this one. Look at this. Let me see what size this is. This is that's the rear one. I'm putting it in the bag. This is my mom's car. The other one was leaving too.
I have to strap your truck down or something. Can you tilt that other one?
You should try putting the small ones in first. The seats are down. They'll probably fit down there.
Oh, the seats are down?
Yeah, put the seat down.
And let's put them up in over there. I got it. Things are pretty huge though, look. I feel like you give us some extra pieces, but most important thing right here, bro. All the parts.
And the tire down with that. Paid. That's the fender. We got all the parts basically. Oh, nah, it's not a Shelby. Sounds pretty nice though. We got basically everything. There you go. Alright. No worries, me. Let's go. Where were the keys? Oh, I have the keys. I'm gonna try to see if I can take this off with the knife. I know you can use like a toothbrush. Maybe I could do this. There you go. Oh shoot, this is not good. I'm gonna use both hands.
Da más garantía que este, porque este no, ya yo. Te voy a hacer el dinero, que hay gente no que.
Ready? Alright, this is the car right here. We already put on the 4 wheels. And look, this is my mom and dad. Okay. My dad's shop. Alan Auto Repair. He's like my mom.
Co-worker.
Yeah, this is the build. And we got all the parts to the dealership already. I forgot what I ordered, but to be honest, I don't know what this is right now. I didn't even see it. Yeah, he supports all of it. Awesome, what the hell?
the lift?
It has the bottom part. Oh, okay. Okay, I get
Oh,
it.
Shelby.
Yeah, the part that says Shelby, the splitter part. And then these are the little things that go in the bottom of the bumper, I'm guessing.
Put this at the end.
Really good. But yeah.
Boxing eye. This one says
Charge 972. For some reason, I don't know. It feels really light. I don't think it's that much. I know I paid a good amount of money for all this stuff, so. Oh yeah, now grill.
Oh,
The grill looks like this, and the fog light right here. Yeah, no, not the fog light. The turn signal light. The fog light's supposed to go here, but this one doesn't have the fog light. Alright, this is a little trim pieces.
goddamn, 900 for that?
Nah, it was an M. I don't know what's an M. It's something this one.
Something cut towards you.
I know, but also look like 10 seconds, go through real quick.
That's the front
Gotta
bumper
put on
right
my
there.
boots. This is. Like a little kid right now. Oh, the little canard thing at the thing that goes on the bumper. Yeah, because if you see the bumper,
The original one.
this one, you're supposed to look. I'll show you right now. This is a new bumper. I had to order from dealership. I bought another one, but it wasn't out the same place, so I had to order this one. This one, dealership. This right here. It just came in right now. Show me, boy.
Yeah, I'm recording.
This is. That's the part that goes like. This is the part that goes right here. And then the Shelby goes right here, and then the little thing goes right here. The rest of the grills are good, so I got the light. I think some harnesses are cut, but we could probably
Fix that.
solder them. Yeah, we could do that. And right there,
Bend it.
the main thing we need. I ordered this from days ago. Right here. Just need to lay it down. Alright, pull it out.
What's this? Oh, this is little paint or something.
Look at the shark thing. The GT350 logo over here. I saved the surprisingly it was still good on that one. I'm gonna need this piece. I need to order it from the shop. Let's test fit it. See the difference. Most of the things are not even there.
What's this? Oh,
Definitely.
I think it's supposed to go on the thick part here.
Yeah, all the bolts are on it. Just gonna.
thing is super weightless, huh?
Yes. Yeah, alright, we're gonna try to test it. We gotta take out some brackets and bolts. Like, totally forgot to record, but I took off this rocker panel. So it was in the way of putting the fender. And I put it on kind of, these things were kind of bent.
This one's still really bent, and some of them fit like pretty nicely. I think I'm gonna put on the new hood and just pop in the bumper to see how it's gonna look like, and if everything fits, so I can send it to go get painted, because I don't have a booth or nothing. So that's the old hood. I took everything apart. I'm about to put everything together, see if it aligns and fits together, and see how it goes. What the hell? Sheeesh. Everything looks pretty straight. The gaps are alright. The hood still needs fitment. It has tape on it. Fitment is pretty good. There's no like frame rail damage or nothing like that. It looks pretty good, And I think it's ready for some paint. I'm gonna send it to somebody to paint it for me, because I don't have the right tools. But yo, I just need a headlight.